What if I told you one of the largest living things on Earth looks like a forest, but it's actually just one organism? Meet Pando, also called the trembling giant. It's a colony of over 47,000 quaking aspen trees in Utah that are all genetically identical and connected by a single massive root system. That means every tree you see is like a finger on the same giant hand. Here's the wild part. Scientists estimate Pando weighs around 6,000 tons, making it one of the heaviest living organisms on the planet. And it may be thousands, even tens of thousands of years old. Instead of reproducing with seeds, it clones itself underground. When one trunk dies, new shoots pop up from the same roots. So the forest renews itself without ever really being born again. How do we know it's one organism? Genetic tests show the leaves and trunks across 100 acres share the exact same DNA. Plus, all the trees change color and sync in the fall, like one giant organism breathing in unison. But here's the twist. Pando is in trouble. Fewer new shoots are surviving because of grazing by deer and elk, and human activity has changed the balance of the forest. Researchers and conservation groups are fencing parts of it to protect young growth and study how to keep this ancient giant alive. Think about what that means. A single living being that spans a landscape older than many civilizations, quietly cloning itself beneath our feet. It's like a slow-motion immortality trick, played out in wood and leaves. Pando isn't alone either. Clonal colonies exist in corals, fungi, and even some grasses. But few are as massive and mind-blowing as this trembling forest that is really one creature. So next time you see a grove of identical trees swaying together, you might be looking at one giant life form sharing a heartbeat through the earth. Want more mind-blowing nature and science facts? Hit subscribe, drop a comment if you'd visit Pando, and share this with someone who loves forests. See you in the next one.